In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to start drawing clean, customized lines with confidence. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. Give it a moment to load fully so all the tools are ready. Once it's open, make sure you're logged in. Being signed in ensures your projects save properly and that you have access to your existing work and features. On the left side of the home screen, you'll see options for managing projects. If you already have a project you want to add lines to, click your stuff to open it. If you're starting fresh, click Start New Design. Next, select New Design to create a new canvas. Choose any size or layout that suits your project and continue to the editor. Inside the editor, look along the left-hand toolbar and click Add Content. This is where you bring in design elements, and it's the gateway to the tools we need for drawing lines. Within Add Content, click Elements. Elements include shapes, graphics, and tools that help you build structure in your design. In the Shape section, click View All to expand the full library. This makes it easier to find the specific tool we need. Now, select Draw Shape. This switches you into a freehand drawing mode so you can create custom lines directly on the canvas. Before you draw, open the border style controls. Here, you can choose the brush design for your line. Different styles can give you anything from a crisp technical look to a more hand-drawn expressive feel. Take a second to explore and pick what matches your design. You'll also see sample brushes. Click on a sample brush to preview the stroke style. This is a quick way to test how your line will look before you commit. If one doesn't feel right, try another until you find a style that fits your project. With your brush selected, you're ready to start drawing. Click and drag on the canvas to lay down your line. Move steadily for smoother results, and zoom in if you need more precision around edges or small areas. If something doesn't look the way you want, simply undo and try again. You can draw multiple lines to build dividers, underlines, arrows, or decorative accents that guide the viewer's eye. That's it. Open Adobe Express, sign in, create or open a project, head to Add Content, choose Elements, view all shapes, pick Draw Shape,